Welcome to the new Office. In this guide, you'll see how to verify server coexistence and then move mailboxes to Exchange Server 2013. This guide is the second in the four-part series migrating from Exchange Server 2007 to Exchange Server 2013. These four guides were designed to be taken in order, as they follow the prescribed process for migrating Exchange Server 2007 to Exchange Server 2013. To navigate this guide, either click the prompts indicated on the screen or use your forward and back arrow keys. You can also access the control bar at the bottom of the screen for additional options. This guide is composed of two exercises. In this first exercise, you'll see how to update service connection points and DNS records, and verify mail flow within the organization. Let's begin on the Exchange 2007 server. Your first task is to configure Outlook Anywhere with the appropriate external hostname. In the Exchange Management Shell, follow the prompts to enter the command. Your next task is to configure the Auto Discover service for Exchange 2007 to use the correct URL. Click to enter the command. Now, we'll switch to the Exchange 2013 server and make the same configuration change there. The next command resets Internet Information Services so that the changes take effect. Return to the Exchange 2007 server. Next, you'll run a series of commands to update the Exchange 2007 external URLs. This command updates the external URLs of the OWA virtual directory. This command updates the external URL of the Web Services virtual directory. This command updates the external URL of the Unified Messaging virtual directory. This last command resets Internet Information Services, so the changes take effect. Next, you'll see how to configure DNS records to point services to Exchange Server 2013. Start by opening Internet Explorer and logging on to Outlook Web Access. Finally, verify that you can sign in to Outlook Web Access, hosted on Exchange 2007 without any certificate warnings or errors. No warnings were presented, indicating the environment and certificates have been configured correctly. Now we'll switch to the domain controller for the organization. Next, you'll see how to update DNS records to point services to Exchange Server 2013. In DNS Manager, in the contoso.com folder, open the Mail record. Enter the IP address to direct requests for the mail record to the new Exchange 2013 server. Click OK to save your change. Next, edit the Auto Discover record. Enter the new IP address. Click OK to save your change and then close the DNS Manager. Next, return to the Exchange 2007 server. Here, you'll verify connectivity using Outlook Web App. Notice that you've been redirected to Outlook Web Access on Exchange 2007. In the address bar, notice the legacy URL used by Exchange 2013 for redirection. Let's switch back to the Exchange 2013 server. Next, you'll test mail flow through the new server. In the Exchange Management Shell, reset the DNS cache to ensure that the DNS addresses are current. Next, open Internet Explorer. Sign in to Outlook web app. Verify and save your language and time zone settings. Next, create a test email. Specify the recipient as administrator, since that's the account we'll check later in Exchange 2007. Confirm that the recipient exists. Include a message subject. Send the message. Return to the Exchange 2007 server. Let's look for the message we just sent. In the reading pane, click Reply. Type a response to finish testing mail flow. Send the message and then close Internet Explorer. Return to the Exchange 2013 server. As you can see, the reply from administrator was received, verifying that mail is flowing correctly. This exercise is now complete. In the second and final exercise, you'll move mailboxes from Exchange Server 2007 to Exchange Server 2013. This exercise continues on the Exchange 2013 server. Next, you'll move a single mailbox using the Exchange Management Shell. Follow the prompts to continue. The first command you'll enter initiates the mailbox move, with the Exchange 2013 server specified as the destination server. The next command shows the status of the mailbox move. You can enter the same command again to get updated status information. Notice that the status now reads Completed. With the mailbox moved successfully, you'll enter a command to remove the move request. Confirm that you want to remove the request. Next, you'll see how to create a new mailbox migration batch in the Exchange Admin Center. This process is used to migrate multiple user mailboxes in a single batch operation. Follow the prompts to continue. Now, you'll locate the mailboxes you want to move. Sort the mailboxes by database name. Next, select all the mailboxes located in the Exchange 2007 mailbox database. Click Add to create the batch. Enter a migration batch name. Under Archive, keep the default selection, which must be used when moving mailboxes from Exchange 2007 to Exchange 2013, and then click Browse to locate the target database. Select the database on Exchange. Click Next to continue the configuration of the new migration batch. Specify the recipient to be notified when the batch is complete, and ensure that the batch will automatically start and complete. Click New to start the batch. Next, you'll want to review the status of the migration batch. Click View Details. Here you can monitor the migration by refreshing periodically. As you can see, all of the migrations have completed. Refresh to verify that the status column reads Completed. Now, you'll delete the migration batch. accept the We'll complete this exercise on the Exchange 2007 server. Your final task is to test mailbox connectivity by opening Outlook web app in Internet Explorer. Sign in to the administrator account. As you can see, the migration batch completed successfully. This exercise is now complete. In this guide, you saw how to verify server coexistence and then move mailboxes to Exchange Server 2013. Thank you for completing this guide. For more information, contact your Microsoft representative or check out these additional resources.